Hello everyone, I am Anish Chandak from 3rd year B Arch presenting before you my 5th semester project Interpretation Center. Interpretation Center. An interpretation center is an institution for dissemination of knowledge of natural, cultural and heritage use. So, an interpretation center uses different means of communication for the purpose of giving knowledge to the users about the respected objective of the interpretation center. So, the objective of our intervention was to interpret the Pandavleni caves. So, Pandavleni caves have a strong background about Buddhism, hence, Buddhism was the main focus here. These are some ideation thoughts about the project at the very beginning. Site analysis. The location of site is located exact opposite side of Pandavleni caves. The main connectivity is from National Highway and the secondary connectivity is from MIDC road. The main character of the site is it is a basalt rock quarry and it also consists of some neem trees that are already in existence. Considering the macroclimate, the site has considerably a low amount of temperature in the comparison to the city. Case study of Qutub Shahi Interpretation Center. It is an heritage interpretation center. The intervention was designed so that it would reflect Qutub Shahi era and considering the context of the site as well. Concept. The concept is the Four Noble Truths of the Buddhism. The first is suffering, the experience. The second is origin, samudaya. The third is nirodha, the enlightenment. The fourth is marga, that is emptiness. Considering these four adjectives, I had divided the site into 4 zones and divided the spaces according to their purpose and circulation. So the main objective was to create spaces based upon these 4 adjectives. As the zone changes, the adjective changes, hence the experience of spaces also changes. So in the images you can see that different zones have the different type of experience provided using materials, type of light quality and the volume of space also. The site plan. As you can see, I have provided the connectivity to the site from MIDC as well as from National Highway. The parking is split up into 2 divisions depending upon 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler for the convenience. In center we have the entrance plaza from where the users enter. There is a 3 bifurcation that one leads to auditorium and other leads to cafeteria. The main primary route is from the center that leads to the classrooms, and from the classroom we can go into the exhibition space. This journey ends to the Buddha's idol. From there are secondary primary routes that can lead to the library and accommodation and cafeteria as well. So depending upon the purpose of space, there are connectivity to every space that connects each other. For example, there is a connectivity to the warehouse for a vehicular movement. Plan at -1 and -2 meter level. Now per floor plan at 5 meter level. Sections. In the sections we can see that there are level differences provided everywhere. Using ramps. The purpose of using ramps is the ease of users and also the unconsciousness of following a certain path. These are some 3D daytime views showing accommodation, cafeteria, library, and the exhibition space facade. These are 3D nighttime views. First showing the overall site, second the primary route, third the cafeteria, and fourth the secondary path. Walkthrough through the interpretation center.